What is going on mga ka-champions? Welcome back sa ating panibagong episode ng Skill to Profits Forex Champion Series. So again guys, I would just like to thank my subscribers, to all those people who are supporting me this channel as well. And again, to my VIP students, to all those members ng ating private group, salamat sa inyong lahat. Again, naalala ko when I just had, and I had only 9 subscribers. But then again, I kept receiving a lot of messages, those kind words na they're really learning dun sa aking mga previous episodes ng Learn from Scratch Forex Champion Series. So as I've said, this channel is all about learning para matuto kayo mag-trade in a proper way and the reality of trading. The trading is not that easy and trading is a skill. That's why itong series na to is all about skill to profits. Pag wala kang skill, definitely you will not profit in the market. So my aim is for you to become a better trader, guys, through honing your skills through time. Okay, huwag niyo madiliin. That's why this channel is here for you to give value or learning kaalaman sa inyong lahat, guys. So again, salamat sa inyo. Again, kung bago ka sa channel na to and you find value in my contents, you may want to subscribe, hit that notification bell para updated ka every time I posted a new video. Alright, guys. So again, I have this challenge to myself, this 50 million pesos challenge forex profit. So it's not impossible. Everything is possible as long as you keep working hard for it. So again, without further ado, let's get straight into the charts and I'll be sharing with you one of my swing trades the past week. So yeah, let's go. Alright, but before that, okay, so again, sa mga nakapanood na ng TFP Eagle Eye System, so this swing trade, I had applied TFP Eagle Eye System para may share sa inyo ano yung outcome ng aking swing trade using that system and ma-breakdown natin ano ba talaga or paano i-apply itong system na to. So, if hindi nyo pa napanood yon and yeah, just check out the past 2 videos, hinimay-himay ko doon paano yung execution, application, but then again, ito na yung actual live chart or actual chart na ginawa kong swing trade the past week. So, yeah, but before that, let's have a recap muna dun sa ating system rules. Napakahalaga yun, guys. Alright? So, again, ano nga ba yung system rules ng ating TFP Eagle Eye system? We only have 4, but definitely, for some people, this is very basic. I don't know if it's really basic, but if really basic, bakit hindi ka kumikita ng malakas Forex. So, definitely, you don't know what you are doing. That's why the channel is here for you to, to learn a lot of things that you can apply sa inyong trading. Okay? So, we have first, our rule is squeeze. Okay? Ano nga ba tong squeeze na to? Okay? Squeeze is where you mark your key significant level or zones from a higher time frame. Guys, iba-iba tayo ng higher time frame considering we have to know what kind of trader are we. So, ito papasok yan. If you are a scalper, day trader, swing trader, definitely, magkakaiba tayo ng key levels and yung entry time frame. So, normally, for a scalper, normally, ang key zones mo dyan, time frame nasa H1 and then you execute at 5 minutes, even 1 minute, etc. For day trader, 4H, 15 minutes. Swing trader, as I do, daily and H1. So guys, again, I'm not saying na mag-swing ka rin. You have to know what is convenient for you. Iba-iba tayo ng lifestyle, iba-iba tayo ng amount capital sa trading. So, you have to know where you are convenient dun sa key levels. Alright? So, going back to our first rule, squeeze. Squeeze the price. Mark your key significant support. Mark your key significant resistance levels. Alright? What's next? Wait. Ito yung napakaayaw natin, guys. But I always explain this even to my students. 10% trading is all about 10% execution, 90% waiting. The big money is from the waiting. So, you have to wait for the formation ng eagle claw. Ano nga ba ng eagle claw? Saan siya nag-form? Doon sa minarkahan mong key level sa squeeze rule. Okay? Ano nga ba yung eagle claw? So, balikan lang natin. Okay? On a bullish market, you have to form on a higher time frame an eagle claw, this pin bar and engulfing candle. For a bearish market, same thing. A bearish pin bar and a bearish engulfing candle. So basic, but nevertheless, if you follow the execution and rules, the market will reward you of your patience. Alright, so after that, meron tayong I. So, kailangan nating bumaba sa lower time frame, okay, and look for an EI pattern entry. So, this papasok dito yung tinatawag nating kill zone where we place our order execution. And but before that, we have to break yung momentum ng opposite counter pattern zone natin. So ano nga ba yung counter pattern zone na tinatawag on a bullish market? Ang counter pattern mo diyan ay yung iyong bearish engulfing. Kailangan ma-break yan because that is the momentum of bearish or na momentum ng buyers. Sellers, I'm sorry. So if you want to buy, you have to break the momentum of sellers. Okay? At the same time, okay, on a bearish market, okay, you have to break the momentum of buyers on a lower time frame. So that is your third rule sa ating system rules. You have to break the momentum first and look for the kill zone. Alright? And then fourth rule, this is where we place our pending limit orders. Bakit pending limit? Because ahead of time, alam na natin kung saan tayo papasok. Hindi tayo manghula. Alright guys? So if you still don't know the execution using limit orders, you may want to check my past videos regarding Forex order types. So available din naman yun sa Google or anything, napaka-basic. You have to know your different order types execution sa MT4 nyo. So the only execution na ginagamit ko ay limit orders dahil alam ko ahead of time saan ako mag-entry. Alright? So, ano pang advantage ba niyan? Okay? We let the market do its thing to limit orders kasi nga, pending order yan. Pending order. Meaning, ahead of time, naka-execute ka na. And this will remove your emotion sa market. So, napakahalaga, you have to follow. If you don't satisfy rule 1, you cannot go to rule 2. So on and so forth. So, that is our TFP Eagle Eye System Rules brought to you by TFP Champion Forex. Alright guys, so I hope this help you recap, itong recap na to. Okay, balikan natin ang ating charts. Alright? Okay. So, nandito na tayo ngayon ulit sa ating charts where we had our, aking swing trade for dollar yen. Okay? So, balik tayo. Okay? Himayin natin using TFP Eagle Eye System. Okay? So, basically, kita ko that the market is here. Okay? So, ano pa? Ano nangyari dito? So, that time, I have to analyze itong portion ng market na to. Okay, this portion of the market. But before that, or even here, to. So, kailangan ko munang i-squeeze. Okay? What do I mean by squeeze? Sabi nga, you have to mark your key significant level of support and resistances. So, paano ko malalaman yon? Multiple reactions. Meron tayo dito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So, definitely, during that time, wala pa yung eagle claw dito. Nandito pa lang tong candle na to. Itong green bullish candle. But, I'm not convinced that I can execute now for a sell. Okay, I have to have an eagle claw formation sa aking resistance. So, I have my resistance level over here. Support, definitely, we have multiple reactions over here sa baba. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, this. So, itong nakita ko dito, definitely this is strong support. That's why I mark that as my support key level or zone. Okay, so right now, I had already squeezed that time. So, I believe it was August, I think sa past week. I held this trade for around 7 days. Okay? So, during the time na nandito siya, okay, although meron ng selling pressure, tandaan nyo guys yung concept ng ating buying and selling pressure. Doon sa mga umattend ng bootcamp, doon sa mga umattend ng free sessions ng Trading Frontier Philippines. So, alam nyo na yung magbasa ng candle. If there are, merong, how do you call this? Meron tayong selling pressure, definitely maghintay ka na lang ng eagle claw. So, na-explain ko naman ano yung eagle claw. So, after this green bullish candle, nag-form ng eagle claw. Again, regardless ng kulay, okay? Regardless ng kulay, you have to know that yung eagle claw formation is very important to know the momentum now is going to the downside. Plus, we are now at the key resistance level. So, alam natin na nasa key resistance level tayo. So, of course, we have to go for a short position. Okay, guys? Naintindihan ba? So, basically, nandito tayo. Okay? Nag-form ng eagle claw. So, first rule, meron tayong key significant resistance and support. That is our rule. We squeeze the price, itong current price. And then, naghintay ako ng eagle claw. Okay, nag-form na ni eagle claw. That's the time I went down to a lower time frame. Since I am a swing trader, I went to H1. Okay, H1 level or time frame. Okay. So, tandaan nyo guys, sa eagle claw, meron ding smaller eagle claw, which is itong mga to. Meaning there's a selling pressure right at the higher time frame resistance. So, resistance is a zone for the sellers. Okay, so nag-form ng eagle claw, definitely, I will not take the trade blindly. Kailangan ko munang i-break yung counter pattern zone or yung momentum ng opposite kung saan ako magte-trade. Okay, I am at the seller's area. So, definitely, I need to break the momentum ng mga buyers. So, anong ginawa ko? Naghanap ako ng bullish engulfing candle doon. So, nakakita ko, which is this formation. Okay? Itong portion na to. Alright? I have to break this zone. This is the buyer's momentum. Pag meron pang buyer's momentum at hindi mo pa nabe-break, definitely, the market can still go up against you. Alright? So, you have to break muna itong, okay, itong small candle and then sudden surge ng market going up, that is your bullish engulfing candle. So I have to break that zone, okay, in order for me to be convinced that the sellers are already taking over sa much lower time frame. Okay? So, saan yung break zone nyo dyan? Break zone natin. So, again, itong kailangan ko i-break, that is my kill zone. That is where my entry goes. Okay? Kaya nakamarka tong mga to. Okay? So, alright guys, that moment, nag-consolidate siya, definitely, abang-abang lang ako dito. Okay? Kaya, itong system na to, it will help you become patient. Diba? Kasi pag walang setup, huwag mo na ako magte-trade. Pag walang trade, walang possible na loss. Okay? Kaya, be patient guys. Wait for the proper setup and entry para hindi kayo makakaught up and hindi kayo magsisisi. Okay? So, alam natin, I am on a higher time frame resistance. At the same time, meron na akong eagle claw, which is this violent square. Ito yun. Balikan lang natin. Okay. That bearish pin bar, regardless ng kulay. Okay. And then, wait on to a lower time frame to find my kill zone or yung counter pattern break na inihintay. So, basic price action, guys. You don't have to wait for an indicator to tell you where to buy or sell. Read the behavior of the price. Definitely, it will help you become a better trader in the long run. Okay. So, yun yung aking take every time I place an entry sa aking mga trades. So, that time na na-break na siya, again, the valid break is not this black candle dahil hindi niya pa nabe-break yung zone through this week. So, meaning meron pang buyer's momentum over here. So, hanggang dito nabe-break, okay, meron pang buyer's momentum. So, nung nag-break siya following this strong move down, okay, nakaabang na ako sa aking kill zone. Alright, so that is where I place my pending limit order sa aking MP4. Okay? This is my entry right over here. So, lalakihan ko lang para mas ma-visualize nyo. Saan ako nag-entry? Okay? Oops. Okay, ito yon. Itong red na to. Okay, wait lang. Gawin natin. Alright, let's keep it that way. Okay? So, ito yung aking entry. And then, where is my stop loss? I place my stop loss just above this, nung pinaka-top wick. Just to make sure. I can place my stop loss over here, but nevertheless, I want to make sure that the market, even it consolidates on top of this zone, will not be stopped out. So, again, that is my first entry for the kill zone. Simple as that. You have to break the momentum of the buyers when you are at the higher time frame sellers market. Alright? So, yun yung kill zone ko. That's why I keep an eye on this. Kaya meron akong mata. Okay? So, that is my first entry. So, saan ang TP yan? Am I going to find a TP dito? Guys, risk to reward ratio, guys. Definitely, I'll go back to a much higher time frame. Hindi ako naglalagay ng TP sa lower time frame where my entry is. Laging sa higher time frame. So, ang higher time frame ko, since nasa resistance level ako, definitely ang pupuntahan lang naman ay support level. So, I have placed my target profit or take profit saan? Sa support key level. Okay? So, yun ang aking take profit. That provided me what? Again, I held this trade for around 1 week. Okay? Risk to reward ratio, 1 is to 4, and the other one is 1 is to 3. So, again, nung tumatakbo na yung price pababa, okay, yung tumatakbo na yung price pababa, so, naghihintay na ako dyan ng ng another entry position. Okay? So, yun yung aking take during that time. So, kailangan mo munang hayaan gumulaw yung market. Hindi ako nag-monitor sa entry time frame ko. Nag-monitor ako sa higher time frame where I place my key levels. Kasi, it lets me remove the emotions or yung attachment ko sa trade. So, psychology is all about, psychology is everything in trading. Okay? Strategy or tool is just one way or one step for you to get better, but their psychology really makes a difference when it comes to trading. All right. So, paano ako nakakuha ng another position using our TFP Eagle Eye system and our kill zone? Okay. So, balik tayo sa charts. Okay. So, all right. Again, nakita ko na meron tayong isa pang may isa pa tayong buyer's momentum over here and buyer's momentum right over here. So, dito, I could have placed an entry, but then again, if I would place an entry here, stop loss, okay? I cannot take a stop loss or place my stop loss blindly. Ang layo kasi, ang layo ng dito ko ilalagay. So, not worth it. So, definitely guys, I saw another, bullish momentum over here that I needed to break in order for me to have a reasoning for a possible position that time. So, ang ginawa ko, I have waited for this break. Okay? Nung nag-break to, okay? Nag-break to, naiwan pa ako niyan eh. So, I had, dito ko na nakita yon when the market consolidated over or nag-pull back, may gap up. Kita nyo, may gap up. So, definitely, nung nag-break siya dito ko na nakita yon. I know that it will come back to my kill zone. Alright? Akala ko ito na yon. Okay? Hindi pa na-trigger yung aking second entry. Hindi na-trigger yan. So, hinayaan ko lang. Okay? Nevertheless, okay, hindi man tamaan yung aking pending limit order, meron naman akong running trade na itong isa. Which is 1:4 risk to reward ratio. Depending on what percentage ang iyong nire-risk. So, I only risk 1 to 2% of my account. Definitely, iba-iba tayo ng risk percentage. Nevertheless, logic is same. Okay? So, nandito tayo ngayon sa ating second opposition. During the time, wala man akong FOMO na iwan ako. Bakit? I know it will come back here. Alright? So, again, bumalik yung price. At anong ginawa ng price? Just wicking my entry. Almost a sniper. I think I can say this as sniper entry. Okay? I'm pretty happy with my entry during these two positions. Ito, nag-consolidate pa medyo-medyo. But then again, as long as I'm still in the trade, my stop loss was not hit, I'm good at it. I'm good with that. Okay? So, again, more or less, October 15 to na-take profit. Okay? So, recently, last week lang. So, I held the trade for around 7 days. So, that is my take on using TFP Eagle Eye system. So, I had followed my rules. Okay? No FOMO, no emotional attachment, just pure price action, just pure basic logic. That is where you get better in trading. Make it simple, guys. You don't have to be to make things complicated sa trading. Hindi nyo kailangan gawing komplikado ang trading. Dahil guys, the more clutter you put that kung ano-ano mang spaghetti, kung ano-ano mang indicators. Again, I'm not saying that indicators are bad, but for me, indicators are lagging. Those are just the footprints of the past data. Yung nangyari na. Why are you depending on past data? Okay? You may depend on past data for your key levels. Pero for an entry, come on. It's not wise to use indicator. But if you are good at it, again, I have nothing against those people who are using indicators. I'm just saying, it's just for me. Okay? I don't use indicators, even my students. Bakit? We're only reading the behavior or price action itself. So, that is where we profit sa market. Alright, guys? So, Wala namang right or wrong sa trading. It's all about, are you on the right timing or not? So, yun lang yun. It's all about entry and exit, and it's all about personal development. Walang pagalingan sa trading. It's all about how much money you make. Okay? I don't care if $50 man yan, $5. As long as mas malaki siya sa dati mong kapital, then you are good. Okay? Small progress is still progress. That is why I have my challenge to myself, the 50 million pesos Forex profit. So, again, I'll be sharing that sa iba kong mga episodes. So, again, that is my take on this past swing trade sa dollar yen. And I hope naging profitable din kayo this week. So, a lot of my students had killed the market the past week. So, a lot have shared dun sa group natin sa FB. So, again, thank you, and nakakataba ng puso, and I'm proud because they're using the system and they're using yung natutunan nila sa mentorship. Okay? So, again, this is just part lang nung ng strategy, but the one I'm really using is yung champion system. But nevertheless, everything I teach here, you can use that. Even the TFP warrior system. Marami nang gumagamit on it, and marami akong na-receive na messages na talagang nag-improve yung trading nila using that TFP warrior system. So, shout out sa inyo guys, and salamat sa inyong mga kind words, messages. Okay? Salamat dahil mas pinili nyo mag-aral kaysa magpa-hype sa mga ano, sa mga IBs or mga copy traders. Again guys, skill is everything. Dadalhin nyo yan panghabang buhay. Kaya maraming nag-enroll sa akin because they want to take that knowledge from me to learn that strategy para habang buhay nila nadalhin yun, guys. So, walang tapon. Okay? We always have weekly webinar. Okay? So, again, sana may natutunan kayo for this breakdown ng ating trade recap sa ating USD JPY or dollar yen. So, alright. So, that is it for today muna, and probably I'll be uploading another episode uh, 1 or 2 days or even bukas. I have a lot to share with you guys, and again, keep supporting this channel. I-share nyo sa mga family and friends nyo or sa mga aspiring traders para mas mag-invest sila sa learning kaysa mag-invest, maglagay ng pera sa ibang tao that will eventually burn your account. Okay guys, so I'm not saying lahat, but those legit, I salute. But those who are scammers, again, I hope magbago-bago na kayo, okay? Magturo na lang kayo. Share nyo yung knowledge nyo sa iba kaysa mga scam kayo, okay guys? So again, salamat sa inyo, and see you at the next episode. TFP Champion Forex, check it out. Bye-bye.